Your body does this in a sneeze, but why? A sneeze starts when your nose detects irritation. Nerves send a warning signal to your brain. Your brain triggers a powerful sneeze reflex. Your lungs collect air for a big push. Chest muscles tighten and create pressure. Air blasts out through your nose and mouth. The sneeze can remove dust and germs. Tiny droplets travel through the air. Your body uses sneezing as protection. It is your immune system's natural cleaning system. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.